In a modern fast-paced world, it is convenience, rather than good health, that governs our meal choices. That's why fast foods have become all too common. However, a blueprint for maintaining long-term health will necessarily have to include a plan for healthy meal preparation and cooking. In this video, we explore strategies that can be used in such a plan. Planning ahead enables us to make healthier choices and to also stick to dietary plans. Planning would involve the purchase and preparation of all necessary ingredients in advance. With good planning and a clear goal in mind, it eventually becomes easier to resist the lure of fast foods. Indeed, a study found that individuals who plan their meals are more likely to adhere to nutritional guidelines and have increased food variety. Whole foods are foods that have been subjected to zero or minimal processing and therefore contain all their natural nutrients. These include fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, whole grain bread, and lean proteins such as chicken, fish, tofu, and beans. Due to their nutrient richness, whole foods promote better health and vitality compared with processed foods. Please see our previous video on the benefits of whole foods. Cooking techniques make a huge difference to the nutritional value of meals. Grilling, roasting, and sautéing are healthier cooking methods since they require less added fat or oil and preserve the nutrient content of food. In contrast, deep frying is far less healthy since it destroys nutrients and increases the level of saturated fat, which in turn increases the risk of weight gain and cardiovascular disease. We recommend that you experiment and be creative with various herbs and spices, instead of using salt or sugar. Herbs and spices not only provide good flavor to meals, but they also provide important health benefits like fighting inflammation, boosting the immune system, treating nausea, and preventing allergies. Some popular herbs and spices to try are ginger, garlic, turmeric, and rosemary. Cooking and sharing meals with friends and family not only makes the experience highly enjoyable, but it also acts as a good motivator to adhere to one's goal of healthy eating. You could consider organizing and hosting a healthy dinner party or involving your children or close relatives during meal planning or preparation. Through socializing and bonding, one's friends and family could also be encouraged to adopt or maintain healthy eating habits. We hope you found this useful, and many thanks for watching. See you in our next video.